Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra. I am teacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today is very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about Lord Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead, and why do I have a special affection with Lord Krishna? Why I am worshipping too much? Why do I have too much faith on Lord Krishna? Because Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Krishna said, Aham Bij Pradapitah. Aham Bij Pradapita. I am seed giving father of this entire universe. I am the father of this entire universe. And what does Lord Krishna teach me? Is from the medium of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, of the medium of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The supreme teaching of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is to perform my prescribed duty without keeping any expectation. So expectation less karma, which actually Lord Krishna taught me through the medium of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरिये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः गोविन्दाय नमो नमः Krishna. If you love Krishna, then Lord Krishna will also give you the same amount of love, more than same amount of love. Lord Krishna will surely take care of you. Lord Krishna will definitely keep you in his heart. If you keep Lord Krishna in your heart, then you will be in heart of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna will never let you down. People will come and go, but Lord Krishna will definitely stand with you. Lord Krishna will never leave you alone in any circumstances, any situation. In my bad time, in my worst time, one of the worst time, I can't explain in the word. Even I was suicidal. I was not able to bear anything. I was not able to think anything. But Krishna's support was there. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, this Srimad Bhagavad Gita was with me, and also Lord Krishna and Srimad Bhagavad Gita will also with me. But my faith, my supreme faith in Lord Krishna, because of my supreme faith of Lord Krishna, today I survived. Krishna is there, Krishna is Madhav, Krishna is Mukunda, Krishna is Murari, Krishna is Kesava, Krishna is Madhusudana. If you surrender to Lord Krishna, then Lord Krishna will never let you down. This is why Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janardana Govind Gopala Madhava Mukunda stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Sarvadharman paritejante. Oh Parth, just listen to me. I am telling to you something. I am saying something. Krishna said, verse number 66, chapter number 18th. Here Krishna said, Sarvadharman paritejante. Mame ekam sarnam vajraha. Aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshasami ma sulaha. Mokshasami ma suchaha. Means you don't have to think about anything. Abandon all the religious practices. Krishna clearly stated, abandon all the religious practices and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you salvation. Krishna, what does Lord Krishna say? I shall deliver you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. So Parth, you don't have to develop any kind of fear. You have to be fearless because I am there. I will surely take care of you. I will surely protect you. So don't forget to surrender to me. Just surrender to me, then leave everything on me. Because I am the supreme personality of Godhead, and I will surely protect to you. This is what Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janardana Govind Gopala Madhava stated. So this is what I learned from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is what I mean, the supreme motivation which I got from Srimad Bhagavad Gita in any circumstances. If I morally down, if I'm not able to do anything, I open Srimad Bhagavad Gita randomly and start to read Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Any verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita I started to read, and each and every verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita which motivate to me, each and every verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita which actually help me to fight against any problem. So Lord Krishna here clearly stated the most beautiful things of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is Sita Pragya, the quality of the sage of steady mind, the quality of steady mind person. Here Krishna said, Dukhesu anuvigdhamanaha. ये Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Kesava, Madhava, Mukunda, Murari. ये clearly state. दुखेषु अनुविग्धमनः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वितराग भय क्रोधः स्थित धीर मुनिरुच्यते. What kind of person is known as sage of steady mind? The person who neither lament nor grieve for anything, who neither lament nor grieve for anything. That particular person is steady in all conditions. The particular person free from the attachment, greed and anger. Only that kind of person is known as a sage of steady mind. Krishna further stated in verse number 38, chapter number 2, Krishna clearly stated, सुख दुखे समय कृत्वा, हे पार्थ, सुख दुखे समय कृत्वा, लाभा लाभो जया जयो, ततो योद्धा युजस्व, नेवम पापम अवाप्स्यसि. The person who is equiposed in happiness and distress, the particular person who is equiposed in happiness and distress, steady in both conditions, whether there is a happiness or distress, or the supreme grieves, or the particular person neither lament nor grieve for anything. And that particular person who never leave his prescribed duty, never give up his prescribed duty, that particular person will never incur any kind of sinful activities, and that kind of person is very dear to Lord Krishna. This is what Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Kesava, Madhava, Mukunda stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This is the beautiful things which I like most in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a supreme motivation, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita which changed my life. I born in Dwarka, and from my childhood since my childhood I have been reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I have been following Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita will change my character. Srimad Bhagavad Gita has changed my character and also will help me to fight against any problem. So here Krishna said, here the guarantee of Sanjaya, which actually given in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sanjay gave a guarantee. Sanjay said, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Dhanurdhara, Tatra Sri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. Here Sanjay said, wherever there is a supreme personality of God and Lord Krishna, and wherever there is a supreme Arjuna, wherever someone who read and listen the supreme conversation between both supreme soul, two super soul, then or Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then that particular person will surely get Tatra Sri Vijaya Bhuti. That particular person surely get a victory, supreme victory. That particular person will get Tatra Sri Vijaya Bhutir, means the steady mind, character, and moral values and ethics. That particular person surely get. Means after reading of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, what will we gain? The supreme victory we will gain. Tatra Sri, Sri means Lakshmi, we will get a supreme affluence. Tatra Sri Vijaya, Vijay means victory. Bhutir means the stage of steady mind, moral values and ethics we will get, and good character we will get. This is actually gave a guarantee of Sanjaya. This is actually guarantee of Sanjay, which actually given in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. After reading of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, we will get a moral values, ethics, and also supreme affluence. The particular person who actually follows Srimad Bhagavad Gita, reads Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and implement each and every verse in his daily life of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that particular person will always have a good character, moral values and ethics, and also the strong determination. That particular person has a strong determination. So strong determination, the steady mind which we will get from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So this is the supreme guarantee of Sanjaya, which actually gave in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So after reading of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, so this is what actually I gifted. This is what I got a gift from Lord Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead. This is actually gifted to me by Lord Krishna. And this is why I love Lord Krishna. This is why I do believe I do worship Lord Krishna, the supreme excellence. I do worship the existence of Lord Krishna. I do worship the supreme presence of Lord Krishna in my life. and because of the Lord Krishna's supreme presence, nobody can push me back, nobody can defeat me. Because of Lord Krishna, I can survive. I am surviving, and I am taking a breath in this free atmosphere. So thank you so much for listening me. If you have any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. And I do request to all of you, please read Srimad Bhagavad Gita and follow Srimad Bhagavad Gita in your daily life. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Jai Sri Radhe.